So today, we're going to talk about appointment confirmation. Picture the scene. We're trying to ensure a customer turns up for their test drive. You spoke on the phone and they seem super keen on the vehicle. Fast forward, customer doesn't show. We've all been here, right? 2 to 4 days prior to their appointment, send them a video. Confirm the date, time and location to the customer, asking them to bring their driving license for that all-important driving experience. For those that are located in fairly remote and tricky places to get to, it could be the difference between a sale and, well, a missed opportunity. This is where a short video to show the customer where we're located can be a big help. It can also help alleviate any stress on their part. The less stress, the better the experience. The better the experience, the more likely they are to make a purchase. If the car is there, then show them. Say you've had it cleaned and fueled and it's waiting for them. It makes them realise you've gone to an effort before their visit and makes them less likely not to show. Just an introduction of who we are, the time of their appointment, and to remind them to bring their driving licence, and obviously where we're located. Sending this 2 to 4 days prior also serves as a reminder. Remember, with CitNOW, you'll know when the customers watch the video. Thank you very much for watching. Keep an eye out for more videos from us, and we'll see you next time.